There's no glass.
Yeah, I can get through that. Tripped over the ball. It's not quiet, is it? Fire alarm. What was that, mate?
Oh wow. The false wall.
Pushed down windows as well, with the lights.
Please go on.
The old fireplace there.
Oh, alright, okay.
See that? It's all been covered with a false wall.
Has it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it'd be even better when they used the double thing and blocked the one.
Yeah.
I can lower that down more as well. Yeah, but on there, it looks alright.
Yeah,
cool.
Yeah, it's a lot better.
Yeah,
It's only on
definitely.
10%.
Brilliant.
The light. TV cabinet. Anniversary card there. There's nothing in it though.
It's not.
Strange.
Unless someone's found
Strange,
it,
isn't it?
put it there to
Someone's put a brick through the window. That's a lovely cabinet, isn't it?
It is, mate.
Lovely size. It's just a shame.
They've smashed it and stuff.
Yeah, they've smashed all the glass in it.
Some
But how nice
size.
is that? Still got the lock in as well, to keep the lock.
Wow.
It's huge though, isn't it?
Massive that. Well, what you lead the way, mate?
It is a bungalow, isn't it? Little utility room. The bits have been pulled up the cupboard. Freezer.
What the hell is that? Oh, look at the glass on the window.
What?
The glass.
What is it?
Like square glass.
Right, I'm gonna have a look. See where this door goes. Well, oh wow. That's nice, that.
This must have been recent then.
Could see that from the other side.
This is a
Oh,
nice
yeah.
bathroom, eh?
Yeah. Cupboard there.
That's mad.
That's big, isn't it?
Yeah, for a bungalow it's really big.
It's massive.
Right, have a look at that bathroom, it's nice.
They're nice, yeah. Oh wow.
That's a grid outside. Where the car's going over it.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
That's nice, isn't it?
Oh, well, that's nice. Oh,
That's the front door, isn't it?
alright.
What's that?
You've got pictures, haven't
The front door.
you? Oh, yeah. That thing's still in.
Oh wow. That's where the smoke alarm is. Oh wow.
On the table there, mate.
There's some there as well. More
Oh,
bedrooms.
look though.
There's loads.
Oh, wow.
Oh look. Little dog. Is that gold there? Oh, that's where we came in.
Yeah, that's going to be a TV on the wall there, isn't it?
So, book of dogs, some elbow grease and envelopes, some model papers there. There's paperwork all over the floor there as well.
Mm.
Stuff here, the oven's been smashed. Oh, look at that. So they're all from in here, aren't they? It's a shame, isn't it?
Yeah.
It looks nice as well, doesn't it?
It really does.
Do you know what I mean?
It can be turned back into a nice place, this.
Yeah.
Yeah, it could.
Just come in, haven't they, and just smash it.
Yeah, it's not on really, is it?
No.
And you could move. You could, if it wasn't for all the smashed glass, you could move in here tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Do you know
definitely.
what I mean?
It's lovely, the cupboards and everything.
Yeah. So I know there is a story to it.
Yeah.
We go. That is it
That's
that way.
Yeah.
But it was an old couple.
Right, okay.
One of them died, and then the other ones died not long after.
It's so bad, isn't it?
The old maiden. Proper old, that, isn't it?
Oh,
Another cupboard. There's some cupboard space, isn't it?
There's Jonathan.
Oh. It's huge, isn't it? Absolutely huge. Look at that.
Oh, it's there.
Ah.
Oh, there's a big football here.
I just don't understand why it's been left. Do you know, like family and stuff, and it's just been.
Seen that one, mate?
Because there's boxes there ready to be packed, isn't it? So I don't know why. Yeah, that's like that, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Strange, isn't it, how it's
Yeah.
all been left.
I'm not going to show all the photos.
No. Now there's one before.
The light.
I know.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Mate, you might want to have a look at them ones there.
Yeah, I will now, yeah.
They're
We'll
the
get
ones
around.
that outside look with the old car and everything on it.
Alright, okay.
Oh, they're like the original, aren't they?
Yeah, they are. Oh.
Oh, look at the fire. It turned upside down.
It's a shame, isn't it?
People just come in and wrecking it, aren't
Yeah.
they? It's not on. That's a one of them heater savers.
Yes.
60s one, isn't it?
It is, mate. Yeah.
Proper 60s.
Put your planks and that on it.
Yeah.
That's the lady.
Oh. Ah, I see what you mean, mate. Yeah.
Yeah. Seen the picture of the lady, like?
Yeah, there's a thing
Yeah, so
on
that's
there
what it
for
used to look like.
husbands.
Oh, right, okay.
Find a cure, he had Parkinson's.
Oh,
That's the
right.
garden.
Wow.
Yeah, I seen bits of paperwork of Parkinson's.
Oh, look at the lights. Wow.
It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice, mate.
Furniture. It's been left out. It's really
I know.
nice. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because they've brought stuff into do now, but it's just...
Massive though, isn't it? It's not
No.
look that big from the outside.
No, it doesn't. Oh, sugar. Certainly doesn't.
If someone's been searching in the loft.
You guys are ladder, aren't they?
Yeah, look for the copper pipe, innit?
Oh, they have as well.
They took all the copper.
Yeah.
And that's plastic. Imitation copper. Oh wow. It's a jacuzzi bath.
Oh, is it?
A shower as well.
Common just...
Yeah.
Bedroom.
Bed, mate. Wow. Go on, you have a look down.
Ripley's Believe It or Not.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's just been totally rifled
Yeah.
through,
Yeah,
isn't it?
certainly
It's a
has.
shame, isn't it? A little bit of Santa there.
Oh, there's quite a few photos out here as well. Album.
Ripley's Believe It or Not. Various belts, books and video cassettes, and Scalextric. That's an old Scalextric, that, Lee.
That one isn't broken. But then it's taking that bed apart and then use it as ladders and...
Yeah,
So it probably
everything
goes
on
from
there.
near the bed.
Did you see the Scalextrics?
I did, mate, yeah.
Yeah, it's an old. It was an old one.
Yeah,
man.
have they still got the cars in that there?
I didn't see the cars.
No. It's a shame.
Zimmer there. It's what looks like a walker, isn't it?
Yeah, they broke it, it's all in bits.
Yeah. It's a shame, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's just a lamp and a CD.
Yeah.
One of my favourite movies, that as well.
Yeah.
Ferris Bueller's Day Off.
Oh, yeah. Cool that.
It's a shame, isn't it? It's a lovely, it's a lovely house, though, isn't it?
That's my car, isn't it? Car door.
Just a car.
Yeah.
What's the night?
Another bedroom.
What is that?
Aye.
Someone coming up that way.
That's a.
It was.
You just refused to come back, didn't you? All the clothes
Yeah,
and everything.
jumping. So there's noises coming out of this room.
This one.
Yeah.
That was my stomach.
Oh.
If you think about it, it makes sense though if it was coming out of the room because it's their
Yeah.
bedroom, isn't it?
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Oh,
Strange little place, isn't it?
Oh, there is as well.
no.
Noises.
Yeah. Weird.
Strange that.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Try.
Go through the door here if you want, mate.
You can see it. Sure.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
right.
Oh, that's where it was. Did you go into the one where it's the side? There was another room, wasn't it, before the kitchen? That you turned down. I don't know whether that was part of the kitchen where you can go in the kitchen, do you know what I mean?
Gonna have a look, aren't we?
Yeah, because there was a room without cooking for me.
I think that was the kitchen, wasn't it?
Yeah, but maybe it goes straight down then.
In here.
It smelled like a candle burning then. As soon as we walked through
Yeah.
it smelled of candle burning.
Don't know why.
Because as soon as we've come at that, I smelled that
I
straight
never
away.
touched it.
I didn't smell
And then
anything.
did that go off after I said it, or was it before?
Yeah, it's just, well, what's.
Because it was, you walked in literally just.
Yeah.
Right, let me stop again and just try again.
I'm not sure.
That's
about
my
it.
stomach.
That wasn't
that
your
you?
that wasn't your stomach then.
No, that was that on the be back.
Oh, was it?
Oh, right, fucking
I
hell.
thought it was like a. You've got to debunk everything.
Yeah, you have to, don't you?
Yeah.
Have we got photos, Lee?
I've got quite a lot, mate.
Yeah.
Have you?
Yeah.
Inside as well?
Mm-hmm. Certainly have.
Should we do then?
On with the next one, if you want.
Should we go down to that room and see if
Yeah,
that's the
what-
room?
that one,
Oh,
yeah.
Just to see if it is.
Wait, whereabouts you, do you
So-
mean, Lou?
I'm trying to think which way it was. Oh yeah, it was the kitchen, wasn't it? But
Yeah,
because
so
of
just-
whoever, go straight on. I might be wrong. Because just seeing it, yeah, it must have been that bit then, or this bit.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
happy
been
with
the
that as well,
kitchen.
mate.
Yeah.
Cool, that, you know.
Nice, innit, that? Kitchen, yeah.
Yeah, just wanted to make sure that it wasn't
Yeah.
an
Yeah,
extra
yeah, yeah.
room or not.
Yeah.
Have a look, cupboard.
That's alright, that's short and sweet.
Good, that, mate.
Short and sweet, but good, eh?
Certainly was. Quite